Good evening, faculty, families, friends, and most importantly, our nursing candidates. Welcome to the Fall 2025 Graduate Pinning Ceremony. My name is Kelly Rivera. I am the Nursing Program Chair and Student Nurses Association Advisor. Today, we gather to celebrate a powerful milestone, the Nursing Pinning Ceremony. This moment honors not only the knowledge you have gained, but also the compassion, resilience, and commitment you have demonstrated throughout your journey to become nurses. Before we begin, I would like to introduce a few special individuals who will be participating in this evening's ceremony. Our students selected 2 faculty members to pin them tonight. The first is Professor Beth Brendel, who teaches our pediatric courses. Students describe her as patient, kind, and known for her calming presence. The second is Professor Lisa Parker, our pharmacology and medical surgical instructor. Students often share that she is always willing to meet to review content and that her office is well known for having plenty of candy and cough drops too, because it's right by the computer room, so that's very helpful. I would like to recognize Sherry Hunter, our Student Success Manager, and an invaluable resource to our program. She has supported these students since their fundamentals course and is always willing to listen, encourage, and help them succeed. This evening, she will explain the meaning of the nursing pin and assist with the candle lighting ceremony. We're not going to light them though because we're not allowed, so we're going to pretend. So, sorry. I would like to extend a sincere thank you to Student Life for assisting the Student Nurses Association in planning and coordinating this event. Thank you to AV as well for streaming the ceremony. That's also very helpful. To everyone else who was here to help, like facilities and security, we really appreciate it. Thank you as well to our SNA members for their support and hard work behind the scenes. Finally, a special thank you to our SNA President, Chloe Weber, for her leadership. Dedication and advocacy on behalf of her peers. Your efforts have helped shape this ceremony and support your classmates throughout this journey. To our pinning recipients, today we celebrate your hard work and welcome you into a proud and meaningful profession. It's the best profession ever. Congratulations on this well-earned achievement. I would like to now invite Chloe to say a few words.
Okay. 33 exams, 118 lectures, 550 clinical hours, and too many hours to count studying flashcards, exam blueprints, dynamic quizzing, and Morgan Cork 1 Quizlet has finally led us all to being here in this moment together at the end of our nursing school journey. All of us have poured pieces of our hearts, our effort, and our time into these past few years in ways that words could truly never capture or honor. Nursing is far more than a degree. It's a journey that requires dedication, hard work, sacrifice, and a heart willing to spend years learning how to care for other people. That willingness to give so much of yourself is what makes this profession so meaningful. I'm truly so proud of all of us and how far we've come. From those first few weeks in the fundamentals lab, nervously learning simple skills like practicing blood pressures on each other, to now becoming nursing graduates with the knowledge and compassion that can truly make a difference as we step into the world of professional nursing and care for the people who need it the most. It's been a long journey, and it means so much to stand here together tonight. I think I can speak on behalf of all of us in thanking our family and friends for their love and support over these past few years. The good luck wishes before exams, the shoulders to cry on when things felt overwhelming, and the constant encouragement that carried us through. Thank you for being a part of our journey through nursing school, and thank you for being here tonight. We truly all couldn't have done this without all of you. To my classmates, I sincerely wish each and every one of you the best as you begin your careers. I'm truly grateful for every one of you and the unbreakable bonds we've built over the past few years. I will miss seeing you every week in lecture, sharing long days, tired laughs, and the moments that shaped us into who we are now. I will cherish the time we've had together more than you know. I want to say one last time how incredibly proud I am of all of us. We've overcome challenges, supported one another, and grown into the nurses we only once dreamed of becoming. As we step into this next chapter, may we remember where we started, honor how far we've come, and trust in the nurses we've become. Our journey is just beginning, and the world needs every one of us. I'm so grateful that we get to celebrate this journey together tonight at our pinning ceremony. Thank you all for being here, and congratulations to the graduating class.
Just now going to invite Professor Sherry Hunter to just come up and share the meaning of the nursing pin.
Hello, good evening. It is an honor to stand here as we celebrate this milestone with our graduates in their journey in becoming nurses. Tonight's pinning ceremony is more than a tradition. It is a symbol of commitment, compassion, and courage it takes to be a nurse. The nursing pin traces back to Florence Nightingale, who recognized excellence in those she trained. Over time, the simple gesture grew into the pin you will receive tonight. Although small, it carries deep meaning. It represents your hard work, your resilience, your dedication to caring for others. When you put on your pin, you join generations of nurses who have walked this path before you. It symbolizes the trust your patients have in you, the responsibility you carry, and the promise you make to uphold values of your profession, which include integrity, respect, service, and lifelong learning. This pin is also a reminder of the challenges you have overcome, the long nights, the early mornings, the many hours in my office, and the moments when you questioned yourself only to rise stronger than before. You have earned this honor. As you begin your careers, there will be days that will test you. On those days, look at your pin and remember the purpose and the heart that brought you here. I am so proud of all of you. We are all so proud of you. Wear your pin with pride, humility, and confidence. You guys got this. Thank you.
I'm just going to ask Professor Brendel and Professor Lisa Parker to come up, so we'll start the pinning. Just let them up. Yeah. Make sure you stay in alphabetical order. All right. Samantha Acosta. Omalayo Akinwole. Meryl Balak. Chris Bennett. Savannah Barrios. Alexander Blackton. Erica Bonilla. Bonnie Bozarth. Jennifer Samini. Victoria Coffey. Angelica Constante. Madeline Colbreth. He's like, thank God it's over. I think he's happy nursing school's over. Brianna Curry. John Drayton. Kendall Dempsey. Abigail Doyle. Lucas Dutra. Cassandra Irick. Kayla Ems. Megan Furphy. Madison Heller. Amanda Hines. Kayla Jebkowski. Aw. Aw. Opiemi John. Aww. Sarah Johnson. Aw. Samuel Jordan. Aw. 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 Roosevelt Jordan. Aw. Amaya Kelly. Aw. Savannah Kidd. Claire Kim. Kolu Chroma. Jimena Lara. Conchetta Lamar. Sean Lee. Preet Mann. Sarah Maydall. They're very cute. Devin Melendez. Juliet Menza. Aw. Megan Montre. Yasmin Mora. Autumn Newman. Shama Pierre. Lindsay Ponzio. Morgan Quirk. Matthew Reynolds. Deborah Richardson. She is. Angela Rosica. Trisha Robinson. Lyric Rory. Leah Sampson. Ingris Perla Sanchez. Tamika Schwepp. Catherine Shallow. Gabrielle Smith. Amanda Smith. Kristen Trobog. Brenna Wark. Mariah Webb. Chloe Weber. Gabriella Wester. Lexi Ziegler. Amina Zajkovic. All right. All right, so now our graduates, they have the candle that we're going to pretend to light. On the back of your program, you have the Nightingale Pledge. So if you could just stand and maybe face the audience. I don't have it in front of me, and I don't have it memorized, so we'll say it. You guys can, oh, there we go. Thank you. All right. So we'll all say it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I solemnly pledge myself before God in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will Yay. All right. Nice. All right. So if you could just sit down for just a few more minutes, and then we'll let you go. All right. So just the last thing we just have a few closing remarks from the Dean of Health Sciences, Dr. Karen Montalto, also the Interim Director of Nursing. She wears many hats.
I know Chloe started with some facts and figures, so I'm going to end with a few. I know the graduates know that they've completed 71 credits in the program, and I know that you as their family and friends have heard about all of the exams that they have taken, but I just wanted to tell you a little bit about those exams because they are not like the exams in the past. These exams are computerized, and they can include up to 14 different types of exam questions, such as charting, questions with different tabs for each area of a chart, questions where they choose what assessment fits a problem, what intervention takes care of a problem. They have drag and drop questions. They have fill in the blank. They have math questions, and they have questions that include things such as micrograms per kilogram per minute for critical care meds. In their licensing exam, they're going to have some audio questions. They might have some questions where they see a short video. They get EKGs on their questions, and they have to diagnose them. So these are just some of the things that they've been through during this program, and they've been through this together, and you can tell all the support they have for each other. They also have so much support from their faculty. The faculty constantly work to update the curriculum, include new things, new medical treatments, new interventions, new skills. The BSN part of the curriculum is not the hard part of the curriculum. This is the hard part of the curriculum, the associate degree piece, where they learn actual hands-on nursing. Most of these students are enrolled in the 3+1. A lot of them can finish within the year. They finish online, and everybody sits for the same licensing exam. So we're thrilled that your families chose RCBC for your students to come to for their nursing education. People that choose more expensive programs may not realize that all nurses learn the same things. All nurses, even the more expensive colleges, they all teach the same way, they teach the same things, and we all sit for the same licensing exam. So paying more for college doesn't make you a better nurse. It's the faculty and the experiences that make you a better nurse. And we feel that we have some of the best faculty here at RCBC. And as your graduate finishes their program and graduates, please help them to remember that they do have one more exam that they should be studying for. And I know Professor Rivera talks to them about this every week. I'm telling you, she is absolutely wonderful. She has been the best leader of this program that we could have had. We want your graduates to be successful, and we feel like we've prepared them the best we could because we have such wonderful faculty. And I know that the rest of tonight you can congratulate and party. Just next week, get back to that studying. So congratulations to all of our graduates and to all of you for supporting them. Have a wonderful holiday season.
All right, so that includes our ceremony. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. There's light refreshments out in this area over here, sponsored by SNA, and also ATI brought Crumble Cookie. There's out there for you. So you can thank them for that, students. So Crumble Cookie from ATI. All right, thank you very much, everyone. Have a great night.